So today's video, guys, is going to be on just my opinion, my thoughts on the 2023 Corvette Z06 reveal from yesterday.
Drowning in my fears, it's like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything.
What is up, Innovation family? How's everybody doing? It's me, your friend, your neighbor, your host, Brandon, back for another video. Just thank you as always, guys, for tapping into my channel, and I appreciate the comments and feedback as always as you guys are watching my development, my growth. So as always, guys, before we jump into this video, remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification button down below so you guys stay tapped in and stay tuned into new videos that I drop out. So today's video, guys, is going to be on just my opinion, my thoughts on the 2023 Corvette Z06 reveal from yesterday, and what I think about the car and kind of what I see next for Corvette as a whole. So I'm gonna be doing little snippets of the reveal from yesterday and the presentation that Corvette presented for about 30 minutes. It's kind of showing everybody what the next generation is gonna be like for the Z06. They did a performance test. They talked about the different body styles. They talked about the interior, all that. So I'm gonna be doing just little snippets in this video showing you guys what was covered. But I want to first and foremost give a kudos to Corvette and their marketing team for doing such a great, dope job on the actual video itself in terms of the presentation. Me and one of my friends had a discussion about this when they revealed the C8 for the first time, 2-3 years ago, about how it was just too corporate. It was too structured. It didn't feel natural. They talked about the old Corvettes and the family heritage, which is cool. Like, I think everybody has a story about a granddad or uncle or a dad having a Corvette. I respect that. But my thing is, the generations have changed now, and people want, to get to the point, get to the product, boom, right away. So I thought in the Z06 presentation, they did a good job of just getting straight to the presentation. Made a dope video showing what the car can do. They had Devin Booker in it. They had Amelia Hartford, who's a Corvette enthusiast and a racer. So they had the right people actually actually marketing the product to that audience, so people can now gravitate towards Corvette, looking at it as a generational car in terms of evolution and evolvement, and trying to compete with other, big sports cars out there to say, look, take notice of Corvette Z06 or Corvette as a whole. We're not your granddad's Corvette. It's kind of what I got from the video. And they're right. The Z06 overall as a car is phenomenal. To me, that is the best Corvette of all time. Just looking at it in the performance aspect, it's going to be a Z06. Now, me personally, I still would do a C8R in terms of what it comes out the box with all the different features and the specs. I like the Z51, but the Z06 overall is probably the best Corvette of all time, the C8 Z06. So again, round of applause to Corvette and their marketing. They headed the right direction this time. They focused on the product, the evolution, the future, and not so much on the dog and pony show with the suits talking on the stage all day. And they wanted to find the right audience, and they found the right audience this time to get the message across. So good job for Corvette marketing. Now, as far as when I think about the next steps of the car and people actually getting one, it's gonna be tough to get the Z06. I think it's probably gonna be a waiting list for 5-6 years easily, because they're not gonna make as many Corvettes. They're not gonna make as many Z06 as they're gonna make regular C8 Stingrays. So they're probably gonna have maybe 5,000-6,000. So that waiting list is gonna be ridiculous to even get the Z06. But I think it's gonna probably be about 100,000 starting off price range. It'll probably get up to about 125, 135, 140 range for all the extras. But I think starting off it's gonna be about $100,000 for a Z06. But well worth it though. I mean, it's a beautiful sports car. If I had the money just to play around with, I would definitely looking to get one. So that's kind of my thoughts, guys, on the Z06. Great job again, the Corvette. And I'm a Corvette enthusiast. So I look forward to learn more about the Z06 in the future. You guys have a good day.